We are reading Science Spotlight book for preschool kids, and here is chapter 7, which is about vegetables. We will learn the names of vegetable and their color. The first one is potato. Its color is brown or skin, and from inside it is like yellowish. Bitter gourd. It's dark green from outside and light green from inside. Brinjal. Brinjal is of purple color, but if we cut it half, it's of white or skin color. The fourth one is onion. Here is pink onion, and if we cut it, its color is light pink. Cabbage. Cabbage color is green, and if we cut it half, it's also green. Peas. Peas is of green color and its balls are also green. Another one is spinach. Spinach has green color. Okra. Okra is also green. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is of white color. Let's do an assessment. Match the vegetable with a related color. This is purple color. And which vegetable is purple? It's brinjal. Here is spinach. Which vegetable is green? And it is green. Here is white color. Which vegetable is of white color? It is cauliflower. Here is red color. And tomato is red. Here is brown color and potato is brown. Here is pink and onion is pink.